Color in coordination compounds. The color of complexes is due to absorption of light in visible region of spectrum and radiation of complementary color. The energy is absorbed by electrons present in d orbitals and they get excited to higher energy d orbitals from lower energy d orbitals. They radiate energy when they come back to lower energy d orbitals. The colors of coordination compounds of transition metals are fascinating. In aqueous solution, colors are observed due to presence of aqua complexes. The color changes even with change in coordination number and nature of ligands. The color changes with change in oxidation state. Bonding in metal carbonyls. The homolyptic carbonyls contain only carbonyl ligands and are formed by most of the transition metals. Important metal carbonyls are formed by the metal from the central part of the D block. Bonding in metal carbonyl involves both sigma and pi bonds. Sigma bond is formed by overlapping of lone pair on carbon monoxide with the vacant d orbital of transition metal. Pi bond is formed by back donation of pair of d electrons to vacant anti-bonding orbital of carbon monoxide. Properties of metal carbonyls. Some important properties of metal carbonyls are following. Mononuclear carbonyls are either colorless or light colored. Polynuclear carbonyls are more deeply colored. Metal carbonyls are mostly solids at room temperature and pressure except iron and nickel carbonyls, which are liquids. They are highly reactive due to metal center and the CO ligands. The mononuclear carbonyls are volatile and toxic. Most of metal carbonyls are soluble in hydrocarbon solvents. Metal carbonyls are used as industrial catalysts and as precursors in organic synthesis. Stability of coordination compound. The formation of complex involves reaction between a metal ion and ligands. If the force of attraction between central metal ion and ligands is strong, complex will be stable. The stability of complex depends upon nature of ligands, nature of metal ion, pH of solution and temperature. The formation of complex in a solution is a reversible reaction and is exothermic process. The equilibrium constant K is called stability constant. Higher the value of stability constant, more stable will be the complex. Smaller the cation, greater the charge on it, more stable will be the complex. Stronger the ligand, more stable will be the complex. Applications of coordination compounds. Some important applications of coordination compounds are following. Bauxite is purified by forming complex with NaOH. EDTA is used for estimation of Ca2 plus and Mg2 plus in hard water. EDTA is used to remove Pb forming Pb-EDTA complex, which is eliminated in urine. Hemoglobin contains Fe, chlorophyll contains Mg, and vitamin B12 contains CO2+. Cisplatin is used as anti-tumor agent in treatment of cancer. They are used in photography. Silver and gold are extracted by treating zinc with their cyanide complexes. Did you know? Coordination compounds are used in electroplating. In 1893, Alfred Werner proposed a theory to understand the difference between coordinated and ionic in a compound. Isomers have the same number of atoms of each element in them and the same atomic weight but differ in other properties.